Hello and welcome to TG Engineering Plastics. I'm Sam and today we're going to take you on a short tour of our factory. Let's start in reception. Alright, here we are outside reception. Let's have a look in. So as you come in, we've got a nice welcome room ready for visitors to sit down. We've got our logo up there. We've got some key business thoughts here on what we think we need to do, what we aim to as a company. That's always nice to sit and have a read of. And we've got a nice little display for the guys sat here, TG, made out of our building blocks of course. As we come on through here, we enter our conference room. This is where we hold all our meetings. You know, we've got all our products on display, everything we mould, from our own products to products we can contract mould that we have in the past. And it's a great space, nice and open, you know, ready for people to sit down, get some great ideas out on the table and work with our customers. Okay, to the shop floor. Okay, here we are on the shop floor with our Arborg all around the 720S. This is a 320 ton machine, okay? It's one of 3 machines in our shop. We have fully integrated robot. That means we can produce parts very quickly and at specific times, okay? Consistent cycle times mean good production in this shop. Let's have a look at it running. Okay, I'm here in our stock and raw material handling area. We try to keep stock to a minimum, be a small family business. We can't afford to have lots of products on the shelf every day and, you know, waiting for customers to buy as and when they need. We work to order, we work to what people need and we get it shipped out as quickly as we can. Let's have a look round. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that short tour of our factory. There's going to be plenty more to come in the coming weeks. We're going to dive into each machine, different processes, what kind of products we make, how we manufacture them, etc, etc. New and upcoming projects, improvements in the factory, everything, okay? And we're going to be covering it week by week, hopefully. You know, it's obviously our business is going to come first, but when we have time, when we can cater for it, we're going to try and get a video out for you guys. That's enough from me today. I hope you enjoy what you've seen. Have a nice week. We'll see you soon.